what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be creating this look with it looks kind of ugly and everything because I have my face is not done and all that, but let's go ahead and create this look on this side. So let's go ahead and get started. The palette that I'm going to be using to put the eyeshadow is the new Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals by Morphe. Okay, so what I did go ahead and put my lid to go ahead and prime it is the Juvias Place Concealer in 19. And I did go ahead and just set it down with the Morphe brush M173. I am going to be using a couple of brushes. I'm going to be using the Morphe M441 brush, the Sonia Kashuk brush. This is the round crease one. The Morphe M453 brush, and also I meant the Sonia Kashuk tapered crease brush. So I'm gonna be using these three brushes. These five brushes, and the Morphe M165 brush for this look. So let's go ahead and get started. The colors that I'm using are this one, this one, this one, and this one, which is just barely good one cinnamon roll. So I am trying to go ahead and post a little bit more just because that's what I told myself, that I was gonna start posting more, and just trying to be more active on social media, posting videos and all that. So I'm trying. I do have a 7-month-old, so it's kind of hard, so bear with me, but I will continue on doing videos as long. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with Just Beauty and the Sonia Kashuk round crease brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set it all over the top, just like so, just all around. Just the top. I'm just doing the top, as you guys can see. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Good Vibes. By the way, I don't know if I'm saying her name right or not, but my mistakes if I'm saying it wrong. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M441, and I'm gonna go in with Good Vibes. Yes, with Good Vibes. And I'm just gonna start off right here. Right here, just going along the crease like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm applying this, and that's all. Go ahead, you guys see the TV in the background. My son's in the background watching TV, and my son's also in the background if you hear him. So I am just gonna go ahead and do this, checking both sides. So after that, I am gonna go ahead and cut my crease just in the front with the Milani Concealing Correct in shade Light Beige 130, and I'm going to use the brush M165 by Morphe, and it's a little angle. I am just going to go ahead and cut my crease. Sorry, I hold my breath. But just like this. Like so. And then I just go ahead and bring it down with me. Little by little, I just bring it down. So this is how it's looking, just like this. I am just bringing it down into this, just bringing it down. Okay, and then after that, I do go ahead and get, this is the closest brush I had when doing this other eye. It was a Real Technique Expert Concealer Brush, and I do go, I forgot to mention, I go in with the shade Birthday Suit for the cut crease, and I do just pat it. I do just pat it down, as you guys can see. I'm just patting it down so it can mostly more stick, and that's pretty much what I did on this other eye. So that's what we're gonna do, just pat it down. I am using the shade Birthday Suit. So this is how it looks. Now I do go ahead and go back in the shade Good Vibes with the Morphe M443 brush, M453 brush, and I do just go ahead and go around like this, just like that, a little bit, and then I do go ahead and go in with the Morphe M441 brush, and I go in with the darker shade in Cinnamon Roll. After that, I just pack it on right here, and I do blend it up inwards, just how you guys are seeing me. I do go ahead and just go like this, just like this, little by little. Just like that. I do that, and then I go back in with Good Vibes with the Sonia Kashuk brush and round crease, and I do just go ahead and blend this dark side out, this brown right, this dark brown where we applied cinnamon roll, and I do just go ahead and apply it in circular motions, just like so. And it does look like this. This is really easy look. And I am gonna go ahead and use this eyelashes from A Little Small Business, Iselas Cosmetic eyelashes in style Hypnotized, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the duo glue, the green letters. So I do go ahead and let it get tacky for a little bit, and then I look down, and then I stick it on. So after I apply my bold lashes, this is how they look. I do have my hand wet because I did wet my beauty blender. So now I'm gonna go in with, I already primed my face before the video and all that, so I did go ahead and just put the E.L.F matte putty primer on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Milani Fit Me foundation in 310 Sun Beige, and this is in Dewy Plus Smooth, and I'm gonna apply it with the Real Technique beauty blender. So this is, I just pried it with my finger because it does not have a pump. Sorry, I'm trying to open my mirror, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all in. I don't know why it looks like that. It looks too dark on screen, but in person it's not. Maybe I don't know why it's my lightning. How does it look? Okay, look, it looks a little bit better blended out and everything, but right now, it was too dark, homegirl. Like, too dark. I'm like, what? Which is, I don't know why it looked like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend to my neck. Okay, so now I am gonna go ahead and go in under my eyes, go look at my bags with the Milani Concealing Perfect 135 medium beige, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go in like, oh, you guys can't even see, just like that. I am just go ahead and doing it with the other side of the beauty blender. Usually I use the E.L.F one, but my spoon is kind of dirty right now. But she's kind of sucia. So yeah, I'm just using this other side. If not, I'll go in with the little Real Technique beauty blender, the little baby ones, and try to blend it out a little bit better. So I did go ahead and get a little beauty blender and just go like that. Which that's what I'm doing, but this does not seem like it just picks up a lot of product, like as you guys see, and you guys can still see my bags. So I am just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more, or just after that I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop powder and translucent, and my Real Technique setting powder brush. If you guys hear my son, he is right here. And I am just gonna pat that under my eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that. I don't want to show my sign, sorry. After that, I'm gonna use my Ulta brush to bronze and use the E.L.F. matte putty primer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it on my forehead. On my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the beauty blender to blend it as well. Okay, so after my forehead, I'm gonna go ahead and go on my cheeks. Like so, just in my cheeks. Where did it? Oh, sorry, I didn't know where I left it. So I do just go ahead and pat it and then I blend it. Just like so. So after that, I just go ahead with my beauty blender and go like that. Right here. Right here. Now I am gonna, excuse me, powder bronze with this bronzer that I got from, what is it called? BoxyCharm, the Art Professional Makeup Paris. Bronze, no set. It's like this. And it comes, so it does come in this little cute package. You open it and then you open this and boom, it's open. So I am gonna go ahead and use this Wet n Wild bronzing brush. Tap off the extra excess. Oh, this one's kind of dark. You guys see that? Look at. Just look. Oh, that's dark, and I just tapped it. Okay, so I just had a big, I don't know, but I did just go ahead and pat it down with some powder. I'm gonna brush and some powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and blush with the Morphe palette. I blush with those two. I bronze with this one and I highlight with this one, which is I'm not bronzing because this is what happens when you experiment new things while making a video. Okay, so I did go ahead and blush a bit, but if y'all like some dark bronzing or contouring, I highly recommend because a little goes a long way. I literally barely put some on my brush, and let me tell you, I look ugly, like ugly. But yeah, that just scared me. Okay, let's go ahead and highlight and I'll be back. Okay, so I did go ahead and blush a bit, but you guys like some dark bronzer and contouring, this is highly recommend. This is how it looks. It did come in BoxyCharm, but I did look ugly as heck. And yeah, so let me go back and go ahead and highlight and set my face and I'll be back. So I am gonna go ahead and use this brightener right here and go under my cheeks. So I did go ahead and just go like that. And after that, I just go ahead and get a random brush. No, not a random brush, I'm lying. I don't know why I said that. But do go ahead and get the little setting brush that I had and just blend it out really, 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 really good. So after that, I am just setting my whole face with the Milani Fit Me loose powder in 20 light medium. I am just go ahead and getting a little bit and just tapping on my nose, around my lips, just practically all around your face. All around your face. So I did go ahead and do that, and I forgot to highlight. So I'm getting my Milani Makeup Last Setting Spray with the Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush. Spray it down. Oh yeah, I highlight with my Morphe, sorry, I got so close. I left my palette over there. With the Morphe AT palette, like I told you guys. And I do just, so I did go ahead and highlight, put a little bit of this highlight my inner of my eyes. I don't know if that looks, it's okay. There you go. Kaboom! Forgot to add a little bit of brown under my eyes. Why didn't you guys tell me? That is so disrespectful, guys. You guys are not telling me? Just kidding. But like that. Oh, my face. Oh, this is the Morphe 90 palette. I'm using it looks with a little bit of. Oh, and I'm using the Morphe M453 brush. Oh, now my son having a mental breakdown. I am just go ahead and do it on both sides. Like, what the heck happened here? I fixed it a little bit, but this is how it looks. Then I'm going to spray setting powder, setting spray. Dry it with my palette. I'll be back when it dries. Okay, so it's dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm using the Juvias Place lipstick and a Libra. I'm not a Libra, but this card. Oh shoot. Let's go ahead and just do the top. I don't like my. I do not overline my lips. This is my natural lip. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification to not miss every time I upload a new video. And leave a comment down below if you guys like this look or any kind of looks you guys would like to see. See you guys on my next video. Bye.